two state transport buses in Rajkot, another one in Jamnagar have been set on fire after several protest rallies were held by Dalit groups and the opposition Congress in Gujarat. This after 7 Dalit men were tied to an SUV and thrashed by some self-styled cow vigilantes who accused them of skinning a dead cow. The protesters also blocked the NH27 which connects Rajkot and Porbandar for a while, and on Monday 7 people even attempted to commit suicide. All this to protest the assault on those Dalits. Now, even as the Chief Minister Anandiben Patel has ordered a CID probe into the incident, there is tension across the Saurashtra region as Dalits staged protests across the state demanding action against these accused, the so-called self-appointed Gaurakshaks.
Well, there have been intermittent protests across the Saurashtra region ever since this beating up of 4 Dalit youths in Una last week. And in fact, after that incident, there were protests in Una and in other towns of Saurashtra. Now, yesterday, we had through the day a few more incidents of protests. And later in the evening, 2 SRCC buses that were torched set a fire near Dhoraji on the Rajkot-Porbandar highway. Protesters were protesting against this incident. State government seems to have now gone on a back foot, realizing that these protests have been intensifying with every passing day. The state government has announced a CID investigation into the case. It has taken away the investigation from the local police and handed it over to CID. Also, 1 PI and 1 ASI, apart from 4 constables, have been arrested in connection with the attack on these Dalit youths. Apart from the 8 accused who were seen in that video having beating up those Dalits, they have been arrested. The government trying to send across a message that strong action has been taken. Protests being carried out by various organizations, that seems to have unnerved the state government, which has already announced an investigation in the case. But yes, the state government has intensified its deployment in several areas of Saurashtra to ensure that the violence does not escalate.